My name is Dhanavachaktis. I have studied at Excel IIT and Medical Academy. I have secured seat at IIT Mandi and I had done my BTech there. After my completion, I got placed in Dasha Technologies, but I decided to do higher studies.
My name is Ponuk Vijay. I studied at Excel IIT and Medical Academy and I have secured seat at IIT Hyderabad. I done my BTech there. Currently, I am doing MBA in Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, New Delhi.
My name is Babu Mohan. I studied at Excel Junior College and I was secured seat in IIT Hyderabad.
Hi, my name is Mamidi Spadana. I've studied at Excel IIT and Medical Academy. I've secured a seat at Government Medical College, Siddipet, during my regular NEET attempt, and I'm currently pursuing my MBA study.
My name is G. Vaishnavi, studied in Excel IIT and Medical Academy. Now I am doing medicine in Government Medical College, Mahabubad.